Hello students, let's solve some more examples. Let us solve one more example of initial value problem. So the example is, solve the initial value problem xy dash plus 1 plus x cot x y is equal to 0 and initial conditions are given as y of pi upon 2 is equal to 2. So first let us find out general solution. So consider the given homogeneous differential equation, which is xy dash plus 1 plus x cot x y is equal to 0. So this equation we can write it as dividing float by x, we get y dash plus 1 upon x plus cot x into y is equal to 0. Comparing this equation with y dash plus pxy is equal to 0, what we get? We get px is equal to 1 upon x plus cot x. Okay. So what is the general solution of homogeneous equation y is equal to c e raised to minus phi x, where phi x is integration of px dx is equal to integration of what is px? 1 upon x cot x dx, which is equal to integration of 1 upon x dx is log x plus integration of cot x dx is log of sin x. That is, we can log x plus log sin x, we can write it as log of x sin x. Okay. Substituting this value of phi of x in the general solution, we get y is equal to c e raised to minus phi of x is log of x sin x. That is, we can write it as y is equal to this c as it is. Okay, c as it is, e raised to log of x sin x means we can write it as e raised to log of x sin x inverse, and by cancelling this e log we get x sin x inverse. So we can write x sin x inverse means it is at the upon. Okay, therefore our general solution is y is equal to c upon x sin x. Now what are the initial condition? Initial conditions are y of pi upon 2 is equal to 2, means what is given? X naught is equal to pi upon 2 and y naught is equal to 2. It is given to us. So let us substitute these values in, and what is our general solution is this. So from this we can write y naught is equal to c upon x naught sin x naught. Let us substitute these values here. So y naught is 2 is equal to c upon x naught is pi upon 2 and sin pi upon 2. What it gives? 2 is equal to c upon pi upon 2. Sin pi upon 2 is 1. Means what? Means we get here this 2, means this can be written as 2 is equal to 2c upon pi. 2 will get cancelled. So we get c is equal to pi. Okay. We get c is equal to pi. Substituting the value of c is equal to pi in this equation. C is equal to pi means what we get? Y is equal to pi upon x sin x. So this will be the particular solution of given differential equation. Okay. Another type of equation is non-homogeneous linear first order equation. What is non-homogeneous? Its right hand side will be non-zero, means it is of the form. This is non-homogeneous. Y dash plus pxy is equal to f of x. Now how to solve this equation? So for that there is one method called as a method of variation of parameter. So let us first see the statement of this theorem. Suppose p and f are continuous on an open interval ab. This p and f both function are continuous on open interval ab, and let y1 be any non-trivial solution of the complementary equation y dash plus pxy is equal to 0. Suppose y1 is any solution, okay, non-trivial solution of the corresponding homogeneous equation of this, then the general solution of non-homogeneous equation on AB is, then its general solution is y is equal to y1x into integration of fx upon y1x dx plus c. Okay, means for this non-homogeneous type of equation, first we find the general solution of its corresponding homogeneous equation. We call that as y1, and the formula for general solution of non-homogeneous equation is y is equal to y1x into integration of fx upon y1x dx plus c. Okay. Now let us see what are the steps in method of variation of parameters. So first of all, the given equation will be like this: dy by dx plus pxy is equal to fx. Means it is a non-homogeneous linear first order equation. Okay, so we will find a function y1 such that y1 dash upon y1 is equal to minus tx. Okay, and then we will write y is equal to u into y1, and after integration we will find out u. Now let us solve the example of method of variation of parameters, then this method will be more clear for you. Example is, solve the initial value problem y dash plus 2y is equal to x cube e raised to minus 2x, y at 0 is equal to 1. Now you can see it is a non-homogeneous equation. Right hand side is non-zero, means it is non-homogeneous. So we will use method of variation of parameters here. So first of all, from this non-homogeneous equation we will consider only homogeneous equation, means we call it as complementary equation. So complementary equation of this equation will be y dash plus 2y is equal to 0. Okay, we will consider this part right hand side as 0, means we consider homogeneous equation, that is called as a complementary equation, and we will find its general solution. Now comparing this equation with dy by dx plus pxy is equal to 0, what we get? We get px is equal to 2. Therefore, general solution of complementary equation is y is equal to c e raised to minus 5x, where 5x is integration of px dx is equal to integration of what is px? Px is 2 dx, that is 2 into x. So we get 5x is equal to 2x. Replacing value of 5x in this equation, we get y is equal to c e raised to minus 5x is 2x. So y is equal to c e raised to minus 2x is general solution of complementary equation. So from this general solution we will consider this part e raised to minus 2x and give it name as y1. Okay, neglecting c, the remaining part we call it as y1. So we consider y1 is equal to e raised to minus 2x is a solution of complementary equation. Then by method of variation of parameters, what we consider? We will consider y is equal to u into y1 is equal to u into, now what is our y1? Our y1 is e raised to minus 2x. Okay, so we get y is equal to u e raised to minus 2x. Okay, this is a solution of given equation, and now we will find out this u. So for that, so let us first in differentiating with respect to x, differentiating this equation with respect to x. So derivative of y is y dash, derivative of this using u into v rule, derivative of u dash e raised to minus 2x as it is. Then u as it is, derivative of e raised to minus 2x is minus 2 e raised to minus 2x. Therefore, y dash plus 2y is equal to, why we are taking y dash plus 2y? Because in given equation left hand side is y dash plus 2y. Okay, so we are taking y dash plus 2y is equal to, now our y dash is this u dash e raised to minus 2x minus 2 u e raised to minus 2x plus 2 into y. So this 2 into what is y? Y is u e raised to minus 2x. So minus 2 u e raised to minus 2x plus 2 u e raised to minus 2x will get cancelled. What remains? U dash e raised to minus 2x. Okay, so putting this value in equation, in given equation, so what we get? What is the given equation? Y dash plus 2y is equal to x cube e raised to minus 2x. So we will write this side as what? It is what in given equation? X cube e raised to minus 2x, and it is u dash e raised to minus 2x. So e raised to minus 2x, e raised to minus 2x will get cancelled. What we get? We get u dash is equal to x cube. U dash is x cube and we want u, means what? We will integrate it. So we get u is equal to x raised to 4 upon 4 plus c. Okay, and what will be our last step? We consider the solution as what? Y is equal to u into y1, that is u e raised to minus 2x. So we will replace the value of u as we calculated here. So our final general solution will be y is equal to u, means x raised to 4 into 4 plus c into e raised to minus 2x. Okay, so putting in equation y is equal to e raised to minus 2x, we get, substituting the value of u here, we get general solution of given equation. Next, Initial conditions are given as y of 0 is equal to 1, means x naught is 0, y naught is 1. So putting x0, okay, x0 and y is equal to 1. Finally what we get? X0 means something raised to 0, 1. Here is 0, so we get c is equal to 1. And substituting the value of c is equal to 1 here, what we get? We get the solution for initial value problem. Okay. So this is about method of variation of parameters. Let us solve more examples on it. Next example is find the general solution of following equation by method of variation of parameters. You can see it is a non-homogeneous equation. Okay. The given non-homogeneous differential equation is written given equation. So first, comparing this equation with y dash plus pxy is equal to fx, what is we get? Px as tan x, fx is cos x, and both are continuous functions. Okay. So first we will find out y1, non-trivial solution y1 of complementary equation. So what is complementary equation? Y1 must satisfy complementary equation. Which is complementary equation? From this y dash plus tan x y is equal to 0. So we will solve this equation and find out y1. So this is a given equation. Comparing it with y dash plus pxy is equal to 0. What is px? Px is tan x. Px is equal to tan x. And general solution of complementary equation is y is equal to c e raised to minus phi x, and phi x is integration of px dx. That is, so from this what we consider? We consider coefficients of c as a y1. So y1 is, we can, let us find out y1 is e raised to minus integration of px dx is equal to e raised to minus integration of, what is px? Px is tan x, means we can write it as sin x upon cos x, minus sin is taken inside dx. Now you can see that derivative of cos x is minus sin x, it is in the numerator, so its integration will be log of cos x. So is equal to e raised to log of cos x, and e raised to log of cos x is it's same as cos x. So we will consider y1 is equal to cos x. We will consider one solution as y1 is equal to cos x. So by method of variation of parameter, what we write? We write y is equal to u into y1, which is equal to u into y1 is cos x. So y is equal to u into cos x, and now we will find u. Okay. So differentiating this equation, what we get? Derivative of y dash, its derivative using u into v rule, derivative of u dash cos x as it is, then u as it is, derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Now let us consider left hand side of given differential equation. What is that? Y dash plus tan xy, which is same as, now y dash is this, we calculated here, u dash cos x minus u sin x plus tan x into y. So what is y? Y is u into cos x. Okay, this is tan x into y, and our y is u into cos x. Tan x can be written as sin x upon cos x, this u into this cos x. So cos x will get cancelled. What remain? U into sin x. So here is u into sin x. Tan x y means u into sin x. So minus u sin x plus u sin x will get cancelled. What remained? U dash cos x here. Okay. So this is substituting this value in given equation. What is original, means what is given non-homogeneous equation? Y dash plus tan x y is equal to cos x. So substituting this value y dash plus tan x y, for that we can substitute u dash cos x, and right hand side is cos x. Means what we get? We get u dash is equal to 1. So to find u, what we do? We do integration. So integrating with respect to x, we get u is equal to x plus c. So substituting the value of u here, we get general solution. That is, therefore y is equal to, what is u? X plus c. Y is equal to u is x plus c into cos x is the general solution of given non-homogeneous equation. Okay. Initial conditions are not given for this example, so we will stop here. Otherwise, what we can do, if initial conditions are given, then we must find the value of c. But in this example, initial conditions are not given, So this is the general solution of given non-homogeneous differential equation. By which method? By method of variation of parameters. Next example, solve the initial value problem and sketch the graph. So given problem xy dash minus 2y is equal to minus x square, y of 1 is equal to 1. You can see it is a non-homogeneous equation, so we will solve it by method of variation of parameter. So first of all, this is a non-homogeneous differential equation which is given. We can write it as dividing throughout by x, so it will be y dash minus 2 upon xy is equal to minus x. Comparing it with y dash plus pxy is equal to fx, we get px as minus 2 upon x, fx is minus x, and as both are continuous, so first let us find out y1 of the complementary function. What will be complementary function of this? Y dash minus 2 upon xy is equal to 0. So comparing this equation with y dash plus pxy is equal to 0, px is minus 2 upon x. So the general solution of complementary function will be y is equal to c e raised to minus integration px dx. So from this, what we consider y1? Coefficient of c, that is y1 is equal to e raised to minus integration px dx, which is equal to e raised to minus integration px is what? Minus 2 upon x dx minus minus plus. So it will be e raised to integration of 2 into log x, that is 2 into log x means log, you can write e raised to log of x square here, and finally it will be x square. So our y1 is x square. From that we will write y is equal to u into y1. So by method of variation of parameter, y is equal to u into y1, which is equal to u into y1 is x square. So y is equal to u into x square. Next, so what is remain now? To find out u. So let us differentiate it with respect to x. So derivative of y dash, derivative of ux square using u into v rule, derivative of u dash x square as it is, plus u as it is, derivative of x square is 2x. Now what is left hand side of given non-homogeneous equation? That is xy dash minus 2y, which is equal to, so multiplied by x, so that is u dash x cube plus 2x square minus 2 into y. What is y? Ux square. So 2ux square minus 2ux square will get cancelled. What remains? U dash x cube. Okay. So putting this value in given non-homogeneous equation, what is right hand side of that? What is given non-homogeneous equation? Xy dash minus 2y is equal to minus x square. So xy dash minus 2y, for this we can substitute u dash x cube. Okay. So u dash x cube is equal to minus x square. From this what we get? U dash x is equal to minus 1. So that is, from this u dash is equal to minus 1 upon x. We want u. So after integration what we get? U is equal to minus log x plus c. So substituting the value of u here, we get general solution. That is y is equal to x square into u is c minus log x. So this is the general solution of non-homogeneous equation. Again for this example, initial conditions are given. What is that? Y of 1 is equal to 1. Means x naught is 1. If x naught is 1, then y naught 1. So substituting these values here, y naught 1, x naught 1, log 1 0. Means what? You will get c is equal to 1. So substituting c is equal to 1 here, we get general solution of initial value problem. Means when we put c is equal to 1, we get y is equal to x square 1 minus log x. Okay. Okay, so let's stop here. In next lecture we will start the new topic. Thank you.